Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight and remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. So just use your slip solution and then microfiber towel to clean the whole lens. Okay, so to start off the installation, we want to apply slip solution onto the lens and then slip solution onto the tint itself. And with this one, we're going to start it by aligning it to this edge first. Once we have it aligned here, we want to make sure we align it going this way and on top as well. Lift the film and apply tack solution. That way we can start tacking down the film, because we are going to need to stretch the film a good amount in order to help the film tack down to the curve that the headlight has here and reach it to that end over there. Once we have a good amount tacked down, now we're going to help the film lay flat on this curve here. So we just hold on to the film and start stretching it little by little. That way we can start removing those big fingers that we had here and start tacking them down. And then once we have a good amount tacked down here, now we're just going to finish off by stretching it and meeting it to this end here. Okay, so we finish off stretching it. So just stretch it until it meets the edge here. Once you have it here, lift the film and apply tack solution underneath the film and then on top. And you're going to need to hold it in place for a couple seconds. That way we help the adhesive on the back of the film activate, and then start tacking down. And then just keep with this hand, with one hand just hold it in place, and with the other one just squeegee. And you're probably going to do this for a couple seconds. That way we just help the film tack down. Now that we tack down this side, the film shouldn't move and it should stay here. And now we can work on with the middle section. So all we need to do now is just bring the film down to match it to the alignment of the headlight down here, and as well as matching it on the top here. So just bring the film down until you're matching it on the bottom and on top, and then start squeegeeing and removing any small fingers. You could apply tack solution to help out with the tacking down process. And then the last thing to do is to remove any small fingers that you come across on the headlight. So just apply tack solution and use heat and a microfiber towel and with your squeegee, and just go all around until you remove every single finger. And the last thing to do, just to ensure that the film doesn't lift and it stays onto the lens, is post heat all around. So just use tack solution, a heat gun, and a microfiber towel, and your squeegee, just to go all around the edges and making sure everything is tacked down and there's no fingers on the tint. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the 2019 Kia Forte. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.